Hello everyone. Another day we cannot ride our bike, so I'm bringing you another exercise to work on our balance, to work on our positioning on the bike. So I do quite a lot of off-road on this bike, so this exercise is pretty useful to knowing the balance point of your bike and making sure you have some control over it. So what we are going to do is pretty easy. The bike on first gear, okay? Let's make sure it doesn't go back, it doesn't go forward. And on the side stand, we open the handlebars as we usually do. We're going to climb on the bike without using our hands, okay? So we're going to come up here, come down here, okay? Just making sure that the bike stays where it has to be. It doesn't go the other way, okay? So we come up, we go down, we go up, we go down. We can do this several times. Let's do 10 reps for example. So after the 10th one, we go up, okay? Once we are here, we just climb to the other side, okay? Here we are. Now we are in the center of the bike. What we are going to do is we are going to open the handlebars to the other side, pretty easy. And now we're going to do 10 reps, but going down the right hand side of the bike. So again, one foot in the pegs, okay? And we come down. Again, no hands, our knee against the seat to make sure that our weight is going into the bike and not pulling the bike away. Because if we just step on the peg, this is what's going to happen. We're going to lose the bike. We don't want that to happen. We want to be able to climb on the bike with no hands, okay? So again, let's do another 10 reps. There we are, okay? We can do 10, 20 reps. It's about being comfortable, about making sure that you don't put too much pressure on the peg and bring the bike to you. Perfect. Once we have this, we're going to climb on the bike again. We get on the bike. Let's put the bars straight now. And we are going to do a really good exercise. This exercise is great for people that stand up on their bikes. We are going to do the standing up, get into the standing up position without using our hands. So you may have seen people that stand up on their bike and they stand up here and then they pull the weight backwards, okay? What you do with this is you are putting too much pressure on the bars and you are affecting the steering. You don't want that. What you want to do is you want to use your quads and your feet and you want to stand forward. You want to stand up and come back down, sliding up and down the tank, okay? We go up and we come down. There is your quads that are working hard. We are not pulling using our arms because we would be affecting the steering. This is what we want to avoid. So we come up, we come back down, come back up, come back down. Again, we can do 10, 20 reps. This exercise, really good for off-roading, making sure you don't put weight on your bars. There are some really good videos on YouTube. They call it the weightless rider, okay? Where we basically try not to put any weight of the bars so we can keep the steering always light. And that's what you want to do when you're riding mud, when you're riding sand. You don't want to put pressure on the steering, you want the bike just to go forward. So this way, we make sure that we don't affect the balance of the bike in any way. So give it a try, tag us on the video, and show us how you're getting on with it. If you have any suggestions for any good exercises, we're up for it. We can get outside the house to get some exercise daily. So why not finding some exercises that we can do on the bike? Thank you.